friends. Myself Shikha Duggar, working as an assistant professor in Biani Group of Colleges. Today, I am presenting a topic performance appraisal on behalf of GuruKPO.com. So, let's start with this topic performance appraisal. What is the meaning of appraisal? Appraisal is to improving the performance of an individual or of an individual in an organization. Performance appraisal, measuring the performance of each and every employee in the organization for the future use. Now, what are the future use? First and the foremost thing, this appraisal is used to increase the salary or the wages or the remuneration compensation of employees. So, this is a backward movement. Performance appraisal is a backward movement. Now, why it is called as a backward movement? We see in the past last year what an individual has done in the organization, what the positive things he has done, what the negative things he or she has done. On behalf of those updates or on behalf of those data, the performance of the individual is examined, and according to that it is appraised. So here there are two persons, appraisee and the appraiser. Now, what are the components of performance appraisal? First is defined expectations. Our individual is should know what is expected from him or her, because if I don't know what I have to do, I'll not reach the at that particular point which is expected from me with, my department. Defined expectations. After that, when the expectations are very cleared, and this can be cleared with the help of job specifications and job descriptions. Measure and evaluate. Second component is we will measure and evaluate the performance of each and every individuals. How that at this point we'll compare the desired expectations with the actual expectations, desired performance with the actual performance of each and every employees. Now, after that, we will provide the feedback to the individual that what he has done, what the good points he has done, what the negative points he have done, and how the major point is how he or she can improve this in the next coming year. Now, the last is record performance. In this, the performance of employees in the for the past year is recorded as a data for the future use. These are the component of performance appraisal. Now, the next is what is the process of performance appraisal? How this performance appraisal is done? The process is first is objectives of performance appraisal. The first and foremost thing which should be cleared in the mind of HR manager or the appraiser, that what are the objectives of performance appraisal, why we are doing this performance appraisal, why we are evaluating or measuring the performance of each and every employee of the last year. Those objectives should be clear to increase, whether it should be to increase the salary, to for giving the promotion, transfer, and so on. Second is establishing job expectations. After the objectives of performance appraisal are clear, the second step is to establish the job expectations. What are the job expectations? What is required from the individual? What an individual should do, he or she has to do on that particular job. If these are established, for this we will do the job specification and job description. Now, what are job descriptions? Describing the job in detail is job description. In that, we will list out all the duties, roles, responsibilities, the job title, and so on in the job description. And in the job specification, we will do that what is required by an individual who will be on that particular job. Say for example, the qualification, the experience, the competence which is required for that particular job. So, in this step, the job expectations is established. Now, the third is designing an appraisal program. This is the very important step in this appraisal process. Designing the appraisal program, how you will do the appraisal. Generally, there is a form for the appraisal. Each and every individual has to fill the appraisal form, and after that, appraisee performance. In this, the appraisee performance is being measured. Now, there are many steps, many types or the many methods of measuring the employee's performance. That is another a very big topic. What are the methods of performance appraisal? They are broadly divided into two parts. What are those two parts? The modern, not modern methods, and the other is traditional method. We will discuss that later. With any of the topic, or with any of the methods, or the combination of any two methods, we can measure the employee performance. Then performance interview. In this, with the panel, or with the appraiser, or with the HR manager, appraiser, the appraisee will be interviewed, and in this interview everything will be discussed with him, why he has done this, why he has not done that. Basically the feedback is provided here, and in what ways he or she can improve for the future. After that, appraisal data. This is kept for the future reference. Appraisal data, nowadays there are many online or the offline softwares which can be used for this data. And last but not the least, feedback. Thank you so much.